I don't think I've finished so long.
So much food.
Huh?
Yeah.
This is Liverpool Street.
So, St. Pancras, where you get a train to Belgium, Paris, Amsterdam, Lille, and yeah, the rest of Europe. Amazing station. It's quite a big station. All right. So now we're here in St. Pancras. This is where you get the train to Paris, Lille, Brussels, everywhere. Here you can, it's like international train station, so make sure you have your passport when you're going to Paris. They check you in here. You don't have to worry about immigration when you get to Paris. Yep. If that tips is very informative for you, please do let me know in the comment section. I'm just doing a quick London guide for you guys today. It's very, very hot. Our train is going to Shepherd Bull Market from Liverpool Street, taking about 15 stops. So I'm just trying to share some of the unique stations around London with you guys. So we're currently in Euston. Euston, you get most of the the major trains like going to Manchester, Birmingham, Sheffield, Hull, and yeah, all those big long journey trains, you get them from Oyster. Yeah. So the next stop is Baker Street. Here, the famous landmark hotel.
Is Baker Street. Change for the Bakerloo, Jubilee and Metropolitan line.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
So here, Madame Tussauds, Malvern Town Hall, where you get married and all those fancy weddings, and also there's a train station as well there. So what else is here? All right, so the next stop is Edgware Road. There's a massive market, like an urban market, Church Street Market. It's quite a good market, like you get clothing, food.
The next station is Edgware Road. Change for Circle and District Line services via High Street, Kensington.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
So yeah, from the station to Church Street Market, it's not far, just a couple of minute walk. So Paddington, you can walk from Paddington to Low Venice. It's a little bit far, but...
The next station is Paddington. Change for the Elizabeth Line and National Rail services.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
So the National Rail is like, if you're catching the train like to another big city, like to Oxford or to Bristol or to Manchester, so because now we're on a like underground, the tube system.
This is the Hammersmith City Line train to Hammersmith. The next station is Westbourne Park.
So the next stop is Ladbroke Grove. So for Notting Hill, you stop here, but when it's Notting Hill, the council run on a one-way system, so sometimes the station might be closed. So yeah, you just have to check online just to make sure the station is not closed.
The next station is Latimer Road.
Is it Westfield? Did you say Westfield? So we're here at the Shepherd Bush Market. For here, Westfield Shopping Centre, Shepherd Bush Market, and
This is Shepherd's Bush Market.
whew, it's very, very hot. Well, guys, if you did enjoy the tour of London and the tour of tubes in London, please consider liking this video, and also share the video with your friends or people coming to London.